I've been turning wrenches for 25 years. I grew up in the shop, and I've worked in just about every job the industry has: technician, service writer, general manager, even district manager. Today I'm the technical editor of Motor Age magazine, and I'm an ASE certified master automobile technician. But there's one level above that: ASE World Class. To earn it, you have to pass 22 ASE certification tests. That's master status in automobile, medium and heavy duty truck, collision repair, and 2 advanced level tests. I've already got A1 through A9, but I've still got a mountain to climb: the T series, the B series, and L1 and L2. So why do it? Because I still believe certification means something. Our industry is changing fast, with vehicles becoming more advanced and software defined. I want to show the next generation that the certification grind really is worth it. And sure, the recognition is nice, but I'm doing this to keep moving forward in my career, to bring more credibility to the role I'm in now, and to help the industry embrace certifications. And I'm bringing you along for the whole thing, right here on Motor Age: how I'm studying, what I'm struggling with, what test day is really like, no shortcuts. If you've ever wondered how far this trade can take you, stick with me through this series and see where it leads.